Our world is so full of wonders that new unusual places and beautiful nature are discovered every day by both professional and amateur photographers. Different geographical locations, climatic conditions, and even seasons offer the greatest diversity of scenic views. Let's have a look one by one at various wonders of the world. Lake Hilla, Middle Island. Lake Hilla was discovered by the English navigator and cartographer Matthew Flinders in 1802. In his diary, he described the lake as a little pink lake, where small is debated on 37 acres. Roses are apt and romantic for this natural find. There's a lot of debate about what gives the lake its pink color, but it's likely because the microorganisms that feed it make their home and survive despite the extremely high salt content in the water, up to 35%. Where Lake Hilla was safe for swimming, it is now a protected wildlife sanctuary surrounded by pristine but dense wilderness. Penguins in the Galapagos Islands. The first thing people think of when asked about penguins is 38 degrees, barren desert and rainforest. Right? Not? Well, against all odds, it is home to the Galapagos penguins, the only penguin species, of which there are 17, living north of the equator. Penguins come south from frozen waters via the cold water Humboldt Current. Over millions of years, they have adapted to the warmer climate of the Galapagos, surviving by living in cool waters during the day and coming ashore for cooler nights. So if you're looking for sun, sea and penguins, Galapagos Islands are the islands for you. The petrified waterfall of Oaxaca, Mexico. Located about a 90-minute drive from Oaxaca City, this enchanting natural wonder looks like a frozen waterfall at first glance. However, if you look a little closer, you will see that it is a shiny rock, more specifically a hardened mineral deposit, where once there was a waterfall. For centuries, the water was mixed with minerals and calcified. The era of time was truly captured forever. The blue city of Chefchaouen, Morocco. Nicknamed the Blue Pearl of Morocco, this city springs from the imagination of children. Founded in 1471 by Jews and Moors fleeing from Spain, Chefchaouen is situated high in the Rif Mountains. Many different stories claim to answer why the city is turning blue. Some say it was painted by Jews who fled Hitler during World War II. Others say it is to repel mosquitoes, while others claim it is to imitate the brilliant blue of the sea. The Wave, Arizona Desert, USA. The Wave is a stunning red sandstone formation found along the Utah-Arizona border at the Vermilion Cliffs Natural Monument. Consisting of two valleys formed by Jurassic water erosions, one 62 feet wide and 118 feet long, and the second 7 feet wide and 52 feet long. This is a dream place that will capture your imagination. Due to the popularity of the site, the Bureau of Land Management limits foot traffic to only 20 people per day, which means competition is fierce for permits, but well worth the effort. The hike is 5.2 miles and is rated as a moderate trail, so you don't have to be an experienced climber to enjoy the Wave. Wisteria Tunnel, Kawachi Fuji Gardens, Japan. Kawachi Fuji Park is home to about 150 wisteria plants of 20 different species. Dazzling pastel colors of white, blue, purple, blue, violet, and pink make the garden feel like a walk in elf paradise. The park's main attractions are the two tunnels, which are lined with fluffy wisteria-like clouds, one 80 meters long and the other 110 meters long. The best travel time is late April to mid-May. Salar de Uyuni. With an area of 10,582 square kilometers, Salar de Uyuni is currently the largest salt flat in the world. Some 30,000 to 42,000 years ago, the area was part of a vast prehistoric lake, Lake Minchin. When it dried up, it left two modern lakes and two large salt basins, the Salar de Coipasa and the larger Salar de Uyuni, located in southwest Bolivia near the Andean Ridge. Discovered by several meters of salty crust that presents a remarkable flatness with an average elevation difference of 1 meter across the Salar region. The large area, clear skies and flat surface make the Salar an ideal place to calibrate Earth observation satellite altimeters. Lake Natron. Located in Tanzania, this lake is best described as scary. Animals that die in this place become statues through the liming process. The sodium bicarbonate, which is abundant in this lake, mummifies all the animals, creating a stunning yet terrifying sight. In summer, the lake begins to turn red, making it even more terrifying. Slope Point. Slope Point is the southernmost point in New Zealand, and the highlight of this place is the trees. They were constantly being twisted by the wind, and this creates a very strange sight. All the trees had taken on a strange shape, pointing in the direction of the wind, with the rocks surrounding it. It looks like a scene from a Tim Burton movie. Of course, the strong winds make it even more terrifying. Pink Sands Beach. If you decide to visit the Bahamas, this beach should be on your must-visit list. The color of the sand on the beach is pink because of a combination of various minerals and plankton. There are not many beaches like this in the world, and this one is probably the most stunning of all.